John, what do you have for us this time?
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 100, effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Kiowa, Oklahoma. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close